Hey Steve, another good performance and another 3 points.
Yeah, I thought credit to Ruthin. They really come out the blocks and played some fantastic football, if I'm being honest. First 20 minutes and caused us a lot of problems. We probably scored against the run of play, but then we tweaked the shape a little bit, and I thought once we tweaked the shape, we dealt with them, we contained them, and we played some brilliant football.
I was going to speak about the shape because defensively we were really good today. They just had one chance really, and they put that away. After they'd changed shape in the second half, they did some tweaks and
the first half they were causing us a few problems in that final third without really creating much. So we tweaked it to contain that and to give us a little bit more edge going forward. And it worked. You know, it's pleasing from a group of from the staff. You know, we discussed it and we made the decision and we went with it. The lads took it on board, and once we did change, we controlled the game.
We scored some good goals as well today.
We scored 3 set plays. We've been working on them, so
that's good.
It's pleasing when you work on something and it comes off. I think changing that shape gives us that impetus to go and really dominate the game, and I think we did, especially second half.
Against a good team.
I think Ruthin had a good team. I think along with ourselves, they're the best footballing team. And like I said, I've already said they did cause us problems. But once we tweaked that shape, we contained them, and we offered a lot more going forward ourselves.
So we've got another long away journey next week to Llanidloes. Is that right?
Another trip for the Seagulls to enjoy. My first game as manager of Colwyn Bay. So fun memories. Hopefully it's the same result, but we know it's going to be a tough game, like it always is down there. But again, like I keep saying, we'll do the work. We'll enjoy tonight. We'll enjoy the weekend. Then we'll be back to work on Wednesday and Thursday, ready for Saturday.
Okay. Really well done. See you next Saturday. Thank you.
Thank you.